All right, I wanted to review some of the specifics behind program design and what you see when you receive the program and how to interpret those things. And I'm just going to use these exercises here written out as example. And because what you're going to receive is the exercise, the sets, the reps, the tempo, and a rest. So here we see SS, split squat, 3 by 12 to 15 per side at 3030, rest 30 seconds between sides. 3 sets, 12 to 15 reps per side because it's a single leg activity. And we give you that rep range because I most often will not prescribe weights. That will be dictated, the amount of weight you use will be dictated by you being able to perform the prescribed number of reps at the prescribed tempo. The tempo is the speed at which you perform each repetition. So 3030 would be 3 seconds down, 0 at the bottom, 3 seconds up, 0 at the top. Now, an example with the split squat, if you were to perform that first set just body weight, you get 15 repetitions at that tempo. That indicates that it's appropriate to add load for the next set. Maybe you carry 5s in each hand and you go again, but you just eke out 13 reps and you likely would not have been able to stay with that tempo for a 14th. That indicates that it's likely not appropriate for you to add more load for the third set. Maybe the goal for the third set is just to get 14 reps. But that kind of gives you indications and controls as to what's the right weight for this set. It's how many reps and what's the tempo. And then the rest really creates control and rhythm across the workout. So 30 seconds rest between sides so that you are recovered and you can produce really quality movement and good force for the following set. A lot of times in the beginning stages of structural development and resistance training, you'll have supersetted exercises. And superset just means paired, meaning in this scenario, if split squat and overhead press are paired and there's 3 sets prescribed of each, you're going to go split squat, overhead press, squat, press, 3 times until you've completed them both. And that's indicated in this scenario by A1 labeling the split squat and A2 labeling the overhead press. If you just saw A and B, those would not be paired exercises. You'd go through the split squats until you complete 3 rounds, and then you'd move to the overhead press and do 3 rounds of that. So that's the basic details behind what's written within program design and how to interpret those specifics. Let me know if you have any questions.